Hey there and welcome back to Slash Race Games. Today I'll be showing you how to move your player in the direction the object is facing. So this is pretty much the final product here. We've got our hipster object and he's pointing towards the mouse, and if I push A like such, there we go. He follows in the direction that the sprite is facing. See that? So direction equals image angle. Okay, so let's go to this now. So here we go. Firstly, sprites. We've just got that. For the backgrounds, I've just got this wooden floor kind of look. So let's create our object. Here we go. So object player, give him the sprite. Okay, so basically we're just gonna have a create, and we're gonna tell it to face towards the mouse. So image angle equals point direction. Okay, notice it has 4 arguments. The first 2 are x and y, so that's the x and y value of the object, and then the other 2 are mouse x and mouse y. So we're telling our origin to look at the origin of the mouse, which is wherever the mouse is on the room. Okay, cool, that's done. Then we're going to create a step. Now to do this, you need to assign it a direction and a speed. So firstly, we're going to update the image angle, so we can just copy that, put it in here. There we go, step 1. Now the key presses. So here we can say if keyboard check ord. Now if you're wondering what ord means, basically it's going to return the Unicode value of the character A. So whatever the Unicode value of A is, it's going to put it in here, and then it's going to keyboard check that Unicode value. Now what do we want it to do? Basically, check that we need another one of these. Something's wrong. Another one. Okay. Here we're going to say if speed is less than 5, then speed plus equals 0.2. Okay, cool. So speed's going to increase by increments of 0.2 until it gets to 5. So it's got a bit of like an acceleration. It'll look really cool. Then here we update in the direction, because currently there is no direction. So here we say direction equals image angle. So basically we're saying I want you to go somewhere at a speed of, whatever, until it gets to 5. And then here we say in which direction? Well, the direction it's facing, of course. And if we say here, we're going to say else, well, if the key is not being pressed, and we want it to slow down gradually. We don't want it to just stop, because that's really unrealistic. So we're just going to say here, if speed is greater than 0, then we're going to say speed decrement by 0.1. There we go. So slowly it's going to slow down until it stops. Alright, so when we push A, it's going to move at a speed in the direction of the image angle. Now, what happens if we want it to stop sooner? So we say if keyboard check again, ord, get the Unicode value of Z. We've got enough. There we go. Let's just put another bracket there, just for fun, why not? Here we're going to say, well, if we push the Z key, then we want it to decelerate, but faster than it would if the friction kind of stuff was just slowing it down. So here we go, if it's greater than 0, then we're just going to double this, like that too. Okay, so if it's traveling and we push Z, then slow it down until it's 0. That's pretty simple. And then we go okay, go into our room, over here, let's get our object, put him there, smack bang, and somewhere there. Let's test this out. Alright, so there he is. Right now he is facing towards the mouse, and if we push A, there we go, he's moving in the direction of the mouse, which is the direction of his image angle. And if we let go of A, slowly, there we go, to a stop. If we do that again, A, and we push Z, notice the stop is more sudden. It's not instantaneous, but it's, he's braking, he's slowing down forcefully. So that's pretty much that. As he moves, he points towards the mouse, and when we let go of A, he's not going to move, because that's the keyboard check action. It only does something as long as the key is pressed down. And if it's not pressed down, he's going to slow down. Well, it's pretty simple. I mean, it's only a few lines of code and a create and step event, and that's pretty much that. So, hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it educational and helpful. Um, Please feel free to subscribe, rate, and comment, tell your friends, and I'll see you guys next time.